Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Marcus by Goldman Sachs for investor cash reserves, beginner guide step by step clearly. To activate Marcus by Goldman Sachs for your investor cash reserves, start by visiting the Marcus by Goldman Sachs website. On the home page, locate the option to sign up or create an account. Click on the sign up button to begin the registration process. You will be prompted to enter your personal information, including your name, email address, and phone number. After providing your details, create a secure password for your account. Review the terms and conditions and privacy policy, then check the box indicating your agreement. Next, click on the Continue button to proceed to the next step. You will receive a verification email to confirm your email address. Check your inbox for the email from Marcus by Goldman Sachs and click on the verification link provided. Now, return to the Marcus website and log into your newly created account using your email and password. Once logged in, navigate to the section for Investor Cash Reserves. Follow the prompts to set up your cash reserve account, entering any necessary financial information. You may need to link an external bank account for funding your reserves. After linking your bank account, verify it by completing the necessary security checks. Determine the amount you wish to deposit into your investor cash reserve account. Submit your deposit and review the transaction details for accuracy. Once your account setup is complete, monitor your cash reserves directly through the Marcus platform. Explore the tools and resources available to help you manage and grow your investor cash reserves effectively. Finally, consider setting up alerts for significant changes or updates regarding your account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.